Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this introduction video that they use for like tutorials and stuff. I'm just going to type in welcome back to this tutorial, or welcome to this tutorial, I guess. Select the font. You can use any font that you'd like, and then I'm just going to select low, and I'm just going to adjust the intensity and the range a little bit. Then I might go to animation, and you can add in the throw out animation. You don't have to though. And then you're just going to simply right click, create compound clip. And then you are going to go to effects, and you're going to search for ripple distortion, and you're going to add that in. If I can just find it. I'm having a really hard time loading effects. Here we go. It's in distortion, so just add it to your video like so. And here you can adjust the sharpen and stuff, and the twist and blur, and the strength and the size and the speed, but I'm just going to leave it as is, but you can definitely adjust it to your liking. And you can also add in the FPS lag or the doodle diary adjustment on top. Like that, maybe. I think the doodle diary one is a little bit better. Like that. Just delete the stickers, textures, and the filters. And actually, I think it's the same. It's similar, but you can just adjust the speed. And yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!